A customer asks, how important are antennas for DMR radios? They are extremely important. They are the backbone of any good radio, almost, arguably better than the output power for some applications. The factory antennas that come with these radios are very good out of the box, but we sell most of these with a Nagoya 701 like this, and that's for a reason. These are the real deal. These aren't Chinese knockoff antennas. These are genuine Nagoya antennas that we have painstakingly sourced from the original source. There's a couple advantages. They are higher gain. You're going to get better transmit and receive with them. But they are flexible whip antennas. So see how you can bend this. They're not going to poke you in the side when you're wearing it, as opposed to like a stiff, kind of rubber duck antenna like this. It's kind of sharp, could poke you potentially. But yeah, you definitely need a good antenna with your DMR radio. If you'd like to learn more about our antennas and our Anytone 878s, please check the link in the description below. Thanks guys, 7-3.